Good day, this is Rob with truckhub.ca coming to you from Abbotsford, BC. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 Kenworth T880 with a small 40-inch bunk. It has a Cummins 550 horsepower engine with a Eaton Fuller 18-speed model RTLO 1819B transmission. It sits on a 20,000 front end suspension on taper leaf and a 69 rear suspension on air ride. The truck only has about 254,000 kilometers on it. It's out of factory warranty in 2 months, but can be added. Warranty can still be added through Truckmaster. I'm going to take a quick walk around and just give you a good show of the truck here. There's not much room for me to move around, but we'll start off at the front here. The sun's pretty shiny here, but we'll show you the grille and the bumper. The lights all mounted on there with the pintle, the center pull pin. The hood's in very good shape. I'm going to show you the tires. They look like they got a lot of front tires have got a lot of meat on them. And we'll come around to the side door here. It's got beacons on top. Mirrors seem to be in good condition. There's no damage on them. Come back, like I say, don't have much room to maneuver here, but here's your little bunk. We'll go inside in a minute. High tensile steel box. It's a Langfab. Rear tires here. I'm going to show you the tires on the truck. They all seem they're very beefy here. Nice big lug tires. Lots of meat on all of those tires there. And I'm going to come around the back of it. And I'm going to do this a little differently because it's being sold as a package. Truck and transfer, or a truck and Tridem Pup together. We'll go to this side here and just show you the pup. The pup is on steel wheels. Don't see any major damage on it besides some dings, little dings on the actual fenders here. Nothing major though. The tires, a little weak on the front axle. This axle is not too bad, and a little really weak on the back axle here, just so you know. That's what we have. Back of the pup. And we'll come around this side. It looks like the board up on top there's got a little been hit slightly. Again, the fender right there is a little bent. And the tires, you can see the tires are almost done on the pup. So steel wheels, as you can see. Let me show you the hoist here. Doesn't look like it's seeping at all. Looks pretty dry. And now we'll go back to the truck. And the body on this side all seems to be in really good condition. Like I said, it's all high tensile steel from Langfab. Aluminum wheels. Air ride suspension, Hendrickson. You can see there. Chain hangers. And there's your bunk. You can get a back view of it here. I think there's some keys here somewhere for me to open up the truck and see inside. Finish the front hood here. There is a very, oh, that's just the sun. It might be just a surface scuff. A door. And we'll take a quick look inside. Show you the kilometers. This seat thing I noticed got a little small tear right there. There's a small bed in the back. A couple of little shelves. And it's all vinyl on the floor here. Everything's covered. This is a working truck. Or actually, they've just parked it. I think they just parked it. Got another truck that he put on the road. Let's turn on the 234,000 kilometers, 951 kilometers, or 52 kilometers. I'm not going to bother starting it. I'm on my own here, so I can't really open the hood. But it runs really good. Started the other day. It's got air conditioning. It's got all your lockers. Looks like all full gauge package on here. I'm just going to go slowly so you can see what they are. It's like a two-way radio, a CB. I'll get the hours and put it on, list it on the website for you. It's got the power locks and tilt steering and so forth. It's loaded up. And there you have it. Come around here. Good piece of equipment. 2018 Kenworth T880. Ready to go. It'll come with a fresh MVI. Here you have it. Another good piece of equipment from truckhub.ca. Thanks for watching.